Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Mauno AU100, a lavalier mic which is very good mic for vlogging and other stuff. So let's get into it. So we are unboxing our parcel which just has arrived from Amazon.com. I have ordered the Mauno AU100, the microphone for smartphones and cameras. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, knives out, and now the cover goes off. Okay, so here we are, and now let's see what's inside the box. So on the outside you have some details where you can connect them: camcorder, PC, smartphone, DSLRs, video shooting, presentations, interviews, selfies. And now let's see what's are in the box contents. So it has nice plastic covering. There is extra battery. Let's see it another time. Here is silica gel, but I'm not sure why it's in plastic bag. It cannot take any moisture in if it's in plastic bag. I don't know. Then here is the cell extra battery. Let's take it out. So here we have the user manual and some advertisement cards. Then we have a nice synthetic leather bag, carry pouch for our mic, and then we have some goodies. So here is an extra windbreaker and a clip. So let's keep it aside. Let's take out the mic. Okay, so there the box comes in with one windshield and another set of clip. So let's keep it aside. So here are all the contents of the box. Now let's check out the quality on the mic. So if you can see closely, they have openings right here and some grills on the bottom itself, so it can capture 360-degree sound as it's an omnidirectional mic. Now we have the control unit. Here if you can see, the branding is given and there is a switch. So it's for when you are using it on smartphone, you have to keep this at the bottom side, and when you are using with any other gadgets such as cameras or laptops or computers, then just switch it to on. But when you are using in this mode, you need to make sure that there is a battery inside. So I'll show you. So if you just twist and open this, you see there is a battery inside. So whenever you are using it with smartphone, it doesn't take any power from that battery, but whenever you're using it with any other product, then it is going to take power from that battery. And now there is this small clip. I think it's very short. Let's see how it works in our field test. Then we have this 6-meter long wire and a gold plated headphone jack for mobile phones. Then there is this adapter for any other amplifier devices that you want to use your mic in. So you just plug in the 3.mm jack back here, and you are good to go. So now let's head to the checking part. So as of now, whatever the video you have seen, I've been recording with my LG G8X in the video mode, ASMR enabled. So now the next voice you are going to listen, it will be from the mic itself, and let's see how it works. So now you are listening to my voice, which is being recorded from the Mauno mic. I have clipped it to my t-shirt, and the camera position is same, the setup is same, so you can feel the difference. Please comment and let me know about what you think about the audio quality from Mauno mic, and we'll be doing a field test very soon. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.